What software do you need in order to proceed with the rest of this course? First, you need a PC running at least Windows 10. That's something that I cannot supply you. If you prefer, you can also use Mac operating system. I will teach you how to set up Visual Studio on a Mac so that you can use it. Next, you will definitely need Visual Studio IDE. Visual Studio is the best IDE to develop C# in, and you'll need at least Visual Studio 2015. As you'll see, I'm running on Visual Studio 2017. And if you don't have an MSDN subscription, Visual Studio Community Edition will work just as well. And of course, don't worry, I'll teach you how to install Visual Studio in the next couple videos. You'll also need Chrome browser. Chrome browser is absolutely free, and you can download it simply by searching for Google Chrome and then downloading that browser. That's the browser that we're going to be using throughout this course. Finally, you'll need another free tool, which is Selenium WebDriver. I will absolutely teach you how to download it and install it at a future time when you actually need it. However, these are going to be our main tools and what we're going to use. So really, all you need right now is a PC running Windows 10 or a Mac. The rest, I will teach you how to install.